little fox.
Peter and Benjamin play tag. Episode 1. In the field. Peter and Benjamin were in the farmer's field.
Tag!
Peter cried.
You're it!
Benjamin chased Peter. The lambs were in the yard with Kep. They watched the bunnies play tag.
We want to play too!
The lambs said. They hopped and skipped to the field. Kep barked at the lambs.
Where are you going?
They want to play tag.
Peter called.
No,
Kep said.
the lambs must stay in the yard. I must watch them.
Benjamin frowned. We can watch the lambs. Kep shook his head.
Play a game here. How about Ring Around the Rosie?
Boring!
Peter said. Kep barked. He ran around the lambs. At last, everyone was in the yard.
Whew,
Kep said.
I'm tired.
Kep lay down under a tree. Soon, he fell asleep. Peter and Benjamin play tag. Episode 2. Fox. Kep was still sleeping under the tree.
Benjamin,
Peter whispered.
let's go to the field. We can play tag now.
The bunnies hopped back to the field. A lamb followed them. Bah! Go away, lamb, Benjamin said. You can't play with us. Bah! The lamb said. It hopped and skipped. It wanted to play. Peter saw something across the field.
Look,
He cried.
the fox!
Oh no, Benjamin said.
What should we do?
Peter whispered. Hide, Benjamin said. The bunnies hid in the tall grass. But the lamb was still playing. The fox came closer. He did not see the bunnies. But the fox saw the lamb. Uh-oh, Benjamin whispered. Peter looked at Kep. The dog was still sound asleep. Peter gulped.
We're in big trouble.
Peter and Benjamin play tag. Episode 3. To the rescue. The lamb was hopping and skipping. It did not see the fox. We must warn Kep, Benjamin said. Let's run across the field. Peter looked at the fox. He was creeping toward the lamb.
We don't have time.
Peter said. Peter jumped out of the tall grass.
Tag!
He cried.
You're it!
Ah! The lamb cried happily. It skipped toward the bunnies.
Hey!
The fox yelled at Peter.
That lamb is my lunch!
Then the fox ran toward the bunnies.
I know!
He said.
I'll eat rabbits for lunch.
Peter and Benjamin ran. They zigged and zagged through the field. They ran as fast as they could. But the fox ran fast too. Suddenly, he leaped at Peter. Ah! Peter cried. Peter and Benjamin Play Tag. Episode 4. A new game. Ah! Kep woke up.
What's going on?
He said. The bunnies ran toward the tree.
Help!
Peter cried.
The fox!
The lamb saw the fox. Ah! They ran away. Then, the fox grabbed Peter's tail. Kep barked loudly at the fox.
Go away, fox! Leave the lambs and bunnies alone!
Kep snapped at the fox.
Ah!
The fox dropped Peter's tail. He ran away. Peter and Benjamin cheered.
Yeah! Right!
We saved the lamb, Benjamin said.
Kep saved us.
Peter said. Kep looked down.
I fell asleep. That was a big mistake.
Benjamin smiled at Kep. We will play here now. What about Ring Around the Rosie? Ah! Said the lambs happily. Peter rubbed his tail.
I have a better idea. Let's play Ring Around Kep.